Hello everyone, welcome to Kotu channel. In this tutorial we will learn like how to remove the leading and trailing spaces in the cell. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a space, here also there is a space. So when we try to compare the cell, we don't get the desired result. So that's why to remove the cells leading and trailing spaces, there is a function which is known as trim function. So this function is basically used to remove all the spaces from the cell. So what to do, just write trim and then select the cell whichever you want to remove the space from, and then just hit the enter button and just do this for all the cells and all the spaces will be removed. Generally we get a data set which are inconsistent, so this method is effective to remove the spaces. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.